creating the budget spreadsheet. Once you have completed it, the only thing left to do is developing the formula for the percentage columns. You have formatted and added cell styles to labels. You have included your monthly income. Remember, fictitious information is quite fine. You have at least 5 expenses listed, and you have also put values in for each expense for a whole year. You must have totals for your columns. You want to include the min, max, and average functions. Okay. You also have put your row totals. So now we're going to develop percentages of each annual expense, the total for each annual expense against the annual income. So in other words, what percent of your annual rent is paid out of your total annual income. So to do that, what we're going to begin with is the equal sign, because we're telling Excel we're developing a formula. So I'm going to start with selecting cell N5, which is the total expense for rent for the year. Then I'm going to select the /, which is the division sign. And then I'm going to select the cell for annual income. And I'm going to need to make the reference for cell N3 absolute reference, so that when I click the fill handle down, that annual income will remain a constant. So I'm going to hit the F4 key, and it will automatically assign a $sign to the N and a $sign to the 3, making that an absolute reference. Then I'm going to press enter to accept that formula. So my cell is already formatted as a percent. If yours is not, just click on the cell again and hit the percent style, and that will format your decimal into a percent. Once you have that done, click, hold, and drag all the way down so that each of the expenses have a percent formula. And notice as you look at each cell, the N3 reference remains constant. And that's all there is to that. Let me know if you have any questions.